Hey guys, it's Kirby from GDT Bros, and I have a great budget gaming PC built for you guys. Hey guys, I have a great budget PC build for you guys today. It's going to be great because tomorrow's Black Friday and you can pull out some really great deals on some of these parts. So let's get started. For the CPU, we're going with the Intel Core i5-4690K. It's a quad-core processor. It's based on Haswell's architecture. 88 watts. It's a great overclockable CPU, and it will get the job done on a lot of games. For the motherboard, we're going with the ASUS H97 Plus. This is a great bigger sized motherboard. It's a full ATX motherboard. It's it supports 32 gigabytes of RAM, 1600 megahertz RAM, and it supports Crossfire, but unfortunately it does not support SLI. For the memory, we're going with the Corsair Vengeance 8 gigabyte RAM. We're going with two sticks of this RAM, two 4 gigabyte sticks, 1600 megahertz RAM. It's blue and black. What more can you say? It's simple RAM. It's great RAM. I use this in almost all of my builds, so it'll get the job done in pretty much every situation. For the hard drive, we're going with the Seagate Barracuda 1 terabyte drive. It's a regular drive. It's a fast drive. It's a 3.5-inch drive. It's your regular drive. It'll get the job done. I mean, if you want to, you can upgrade to get more SSDs to put Windows on your SSD, so it'll be much faster. Again, the motherboard supports RAID, so you'll be fine there. For the graphics card, we're going with the XFX R9280X. This graphics card is one of the best graphics cards that you can buy for under $250. Right now it's $220 with rebates at some certain stores, and this graphics card is great. It gets in BioShock Infinite, it gets 130 frames per second on ultra settings and 1440p. It has 3 gigabytes of RAM, 3 gigabytes of GDDR5 RAM. Core clock is 850 megahertz RAM. You can upgrade overclock it, and it supports 4-way Crossfire. So great all-around graphics card that will max out most of your games. For the power supply, we're going with the Corsair CX600. The Corsair CX series, great budget power supplies, 80 plus bronze efficient certification. It gets the job done. No fails yet on 6 of my builds. I mean, it's reliable. What else can you say? For the disk drive, you can really grab any optical drive that you really want to. They're usually around 20 bucks, so they're usually doesn't really matter what drive you want to get. But if you're one of those guys who watch the movies more, you can get a Blu-ray drive, which is usually around $40–50. You know, really cheap for a disk drive, but most people use Steam and other ways to get movies anyway now, so it's usually going to get it soon or later. For the case, we're going with the Obsidian Series 350D Micro ATX PC case. This case is great. It has great slickness, it's compact, it supports liquid cooling if you ever want to upgrade your CPU cooler, which by the way is Hyper 212 Evo. This case is a great case, compact. It supports like 8 drives, and it has great cable management. If you want to have good airflow in your case, this has great cable management. It comes with 2 fans, one 140mm fan and one 120mm fan, and it also has many more drive bays to, areas to put more fans in if you so please do. For the CPU cooler, we're going with the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo. This is a great little CPU cooler. It can overclock our CPU to about 4.2 gigahertz, and it's unbelievable. I mean, it's $30, and you can overclock it faster than some liquid coolers. coolers that are literally like $80. This is a great bang for your buck CPU cooler. And with the CPU cooler out of the way, that completes our build. Our build comes in at $800 almost, and with Black Friday tomorrow, you can use coupon codes, sales, everything you need to get the price down as low as you can get, and this will shape up to be a great budget PC build. With that out of the way, thanks guys for watching. This is Kirby from GTD Bros signing off.